Welcome to Jones Metal. What we wanted to talk to you today is why people choose us. When they're looking for a vendor for deep draw metal forming, why would they work with us? For one thing, we're a family-owned company. My wife and I own the company. We're going to make decisions that are best for you, the customer. We're going to make decisions that are best for our employees. Stockholders really don't play a factor in that. We're also a one-stop shop. So we're a specialist in hydroforming, but we also have machining, laser cutting, heat treating, all under one house. So when you're going through development, a lot of times these different processes conflict with each other, or they may have to do different things for the other process to be successful. There's nobody pointing a finger saying, hey, the reason this failed was because of somebody else. So we're able to all work together as one group to get the project through. That's why a lot of times, especially on more complex projects, we've done projects here that no one else has completed and been successful with it because we were able to collaborate. We have a fantastic quality department. You have to have a quality department that has a very deep understanding of tolerances and how those stack up against each other. Also, at the beginning, we can look at your drawings, look at the shape of your parts, and tell you where you're going to have problems, tell you where the issues are. Because sometimes up front, you or your customer might be a little more flexible in saying, hey, yeah, we can give a little bit more in this area, but this area is more critical. Engineers sometimes will just go to the tightest tolerance when they're putting together a drawing, and we can help you make something more manufacturable. But at the end, we also have a quality department that's going to guard bad parts from getting out to you. So we may make a bad part, but we're going to catch it as it goes through the quality department or as it goes through processes that we've set up to catch quality problems. And I think that's what makes us the most competitive, is how we deliver quality on a daily basis here. So the big thing with Jones Metal is we're not the cheapest option out there, but we're going to deliver parts on time and we're going to get you good parts. So in effect, the way I look at it is we make the buyers look good. They want to be able to place an order, get their parts, and have the parts work. That's where I think people stay with us for a very long time, because they don't have to think, they have enough problems with the job that they do. They don't have to think about the business that they place with Jones Metal. They can then use that time to worry about other vendors that they're working with. So thanks again for checking out Jones Metal. We would love to do business with you. Send us your drawings, your CAD models, give us a phone call, and we'd be happy to work through that project and let you know if it's a fit. And if it's not a fit, we'll help you find another option that'll help you be successful. Thanks for watching Jones Metal.